This week we've got the brand new Ford Ranger pickup truck. What's special about this one? It's a petrol plug-in hybrid, so it's super tax efficient. What's really surprised us though is how keen this is to tow a trailer. Before we get going, I want to show you some things that I quite like about this truck. First of all, the look. It's just a cool looking vehicle. They've really gone for the F-150 style with the aggressive headlights, and it's also very big. And down the side, because it is the Stormtrak edition, you've got the extra wheels, you've got the side skirts, you've got a few little bits and pieces that make it look a little bit more fancy. And if you come around the back, this particular one is fitted with an electric load cover and, of course, the all-important agricultural tow hitch. First impressions, it's super easy to drive. You might as well be driving a Ford Focus. It's just light, easy, simple. Pulling away, you do feel the hybrid system kicking in. So it starts off electric, but then the engine cuts in. But what I would say is the battery doesn't seem to last very long. It fully charged about 25 miles, but right now, 0 miles. It does wear out pretty quickly. The interior is lovely. It's not fancy, it's practical and quality, but this really cool looking screen, while it looks lovely, is a pain to use. Driving down these fairly country rough roads, when you want to make a call or use the sat-nav tool, it is difficult. You've nothing to brace yourself on, so you end up just being distracted trying to make a call. So I don't like that. There should be more manual buttons. Plus, if you're out working in the cold, you might be wearing gloves, you can't use a touchscreen, you need physical buttons. So while it looks nice, I don't like it. This particular version is the tax efficient plug-in petrol hybrid. The engine is a 2.3 EcoBoost petrol, and the 12 kilowatt electric battery together creates 277 horsepower plus about 700 newton meters of torque, which make it great for towing. Let's find out how good. One of the best things about this car is the fact it wants to tow a trailer. It's not just able to tow a trailer, but it's got loads of functionality to be able to hitch up and move a trailer on your own. So even a button here, purely for towing. Loads of different cameras on here. There's a tow bar camera. We're at the office car park here, so it's a pretty unforgiving and tight area. Maybe edit that bit out. I can reverse. So now I'll reverse up to the trailer. As I get closer, just cool, let's go and see if that's as good as it looks. There we go. First time, every time, on your own. Behind us is a very precious cargo indeed. It's not just any 1957 Ferguson 35, it's my wife's Ferguson 35. So, it's quite a heavy lump, and even with the trailer, I reckon just over 2 tons. This is towing very nicely. You can feel the extra weight, a bit bouncy in the back, but it's pulling it like nothing. Normally I'm towing with a big diesel, lots of low down torque, very easy. But despite this being a petrol and a hybrid, it's pulling with absolute ease. You can barely tell, apart from the a bit bouncy, that we're towing anything at all, even though it's probably over 2 tons. What is a really nice feature of this when towing, it's not just the fact it pulls really well, but you've got these big mirrors so you can see really clearly, and the cameras on here are the best I've used of any vehicle at all. Plus, it's got a whole system that tells you, have you hooked up the trailer properly, have you made sure that the safety cables connected, everything like that. And then down here, it's constantly telling me if the lights are working, which is really handy, because often they're not. I've got to say, when it was turned up, I thought it looked really cool, but it was just a pickup truck. Honestly, it's really growing on me. I kind of really like this. When this truck was delivered, I didn't realise quite how good the towing credentials would be. It's been brilliant. With the trailer on the back, and that's no light load, it drives really well. I'm really impressed with it. And all those towing features make it so easy to hook it up on your own. You can set up your own trailer, so whether you're towing a big tractor, or you're towing livestock, or just a small flatbed, it can actually adapt each time to having the right trailer attached. But not only is it a good towing vehicle, it's actually a really good car. Honestly, I'm so impressed with such a big vehicle like this, how simple and easy it is to drive. All those cameras make it super easy to park, and the interior is really comfortable. It's not really luxurious, but it's just a really nice day-to-day vehicle. I'm actually a little bit sad to say goodbye to this, so maybe Ford, can I keep it?